Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Update the Watch 7 so it has the latest wearable OS. This avoids payment app conflicts. On your Android phone, install and sign into Google Wallet with the same Google account the watch will use. Once done, enable NFC on both devices and keep Bluetooth active. This allows the phone to push credentials to the watch. Make sure the watch is charged above 50% to prevent interruptions, and keep the phone nearby. Next, you install and link Google Wallet to the watch. Open the Galaxy wearable app on your phone, pick the Watch 7, and use download apps to install Google Wallet to the wrist device. Once installed, open Wallet on the watch and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be guided to link the watch to your Google account. After linking, add a payment card. Either scan the card with your phone or choose a card already stored in your Google account. Then complete bank verification. Finish by testing a real payment. Tap the Watch 7 at a contactless terminal and confirm the transaction completes. If it doesn't, make sure the card was verified by your bank. Sometimes you must re-verify or remove and re-add the card. Once done, reboot both phone and watch after reinstalling Google Wallet to clear cached errors. Also, ensure the watch face stays unlocked for NFC use. Adjust screen timeout and security settings. Troubleshooting tip: repair the watch in Galaxy Wearable if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.